Hey, welcome to this first lecture. And in these groups of lectures, we're going to be talking about the synthesis essay, which is the question 1 essay in the AP Lang exam. Now, usually when I start with students, this is the essay which gives them the most difficulty. Unless they've done some kind of DBQ question in US history or world history or something like that, they usually don't have any experiences doing these kind of synthesized essays. But the good news is it's a very simple style of essay. And if you follow the steps which I will outline in later lectures, you should have no problem with doing a synthesis essay. So first of all, what exactly is a synthesis essay? You're going to be given a prompt, a question on something. The questions we'll be discussing in class, for example, are: is college worth the cost? That's one question. And the other one is it important for monolingual speakers to speak multiple languages? So they'll give you a kind of prompt at the start. Then you'll have 6 sources related to that topic. Some will be pros, some will be con, some might be neutral and have a bit of both. And it's your job to synthesize all of those sources into a coherent essay which argues a position on that prompt. It sounds really complicated for now, but it's not actually that bad. So what kind of prompts could you encounter? I mean, you could encounter many types. So for example, recently they had a prompt on, what consideration should be taken into account when you're building a memorial for someone? What factors do you need to consider? Another topic was, in this modern world where there's a lot of technology and people don't really read many books, what kind of role do public libraries serve in public life? You can see that there's a really broad spectrum of possible prompts. The good news is you don't have to know any kind of information on the topics you're asked. All of the information will be in the sources. Okay, so what is the goal of a synthesis essay? It's for you to synthesize, exactly like the name implies, synthesize information which you've been given into a coherent essay which argues a thesis. It's your job to come up with the thesis based on the sources that you've read. Okay, so I look forward to working with you in these videos, and I'm pretty sure that once you've gone through it, if you do enough practice, you'll be well versed in exactly how to do a synthesis essay. Okay, great. So I'll see you in the next video, and we're going to get straight into it. Right? This is a very practical course. There's not much theory behind it. You're going to see actual application as we move forward. Okay, great. See you soon.